Hey, I'm Lucas. This is my little vlog for my first time going on a train alone. This is my first time traveling alone, and I'm just going to be sharing that experience with you. I thought that would be a little fun thing to do, kind of memorialize this adventure of mine. I just took a little nap because I have a train at 3:39 in the morning tomorrow, and so I thought get a little nap in, do some more work, and go to sleep before having to get up around 2 to get ready for my train. So yeah, this is my journey. I hope you enjoy. Here's all my clothes. Cookie breaks. Ten out of 10. So, I am very close to going to bed for the night so that I can wake up around 2, probably 1:45, and, go and get ready to go. I'm pretty much all packed up, just like looking around to see if there's any final things that I need. And then I'll go to sleep, try and get a few hours in before I have to go on the train ride, because I'm guessing I won't sleep very well. Maybe I'll start to edit this video while I am on the train, which would be really fun. We'll see. But yeah, that's what's going on. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I also wanted to point out some cool things. I know it's a little blurry. You can see me a little bit. Hello. But there, right there, that's called. I don't know what the name of that building is actually, but it has a really cute little like sun on top of it, which is really cute. And there's like, just look at that view of all the lights. This is probably one of my favorite spots. It's way prettier in the daytime. So maybe sometime I'll show you what it looks like in the daytime. But yeah, so that's kind of what the view on the 5th floor of my dorm looks like. It's really fun. It's getting a little cold in Fargo, which is a little sucky, but you know, it is what it is. You can't really do anything about it. I am in Fargo. But it's really nice here. I actually really like the community. There's a few off people, but what do you expect? You're in the middle of farmland. But I'm really enjoying myself. So yeah, it's been a great experience so far, and I can't wait to see how the rest of the year turns out. So yeah, anyway, yeah. All right, well, I am all packed up and ready to go. I'm just kind of waiting now for a little bit of time just to see if my Uber is going to be accepted. And if it isn't, I have a friend lined up that'll help me. But I'm excited, I'm a little tired, but it'll be good. Anyways, yeah, so I'm excited. So, no one accepted my Uber, so I'm walking about halfway to Stockbridge to be picked up by my buddy Duncan. And he's gonna take me, and I'm gonna pay him for it and everything like that. I'm just pretty bummed out because no one accepted my Uber, which sucks. And it's cold. And this is awesome. So anyway, yeah, it's not ruining my mood though. It's awesome. This is gonna be a great adventure, and I'm excited. All right, well, yeah. What up? Okay, this is Future Lucas. I just wanted to let you know some things that I didn't record in the video when I was recording all of this. So the train ride I was supposed to take was a 3:29 train, and it ended up being delayed 2 hours, and I didn't realize that until I got there. So I got there really early, and I wasn't able to sleep a lot or, you know, really do what I wanted to do. I ended up getting there pretty late compared to what I was supposed to. And I just wanted to let you know that before we continue with the video, so you get some context for later. So yeah,